Good morning. I'm Dheeraj Sarada. We are from Sarada Magnets. We are a 60-year-old brand in work holding of industrial magnets, and we're the fourth generation in the line. Now I introduce you to Amit Sarada, who will explain you about our products and the latest development in technology of work holding and work lifting. Over to you, Amit.
Namaskar friends. So we are in the line of manufacturing of industrial magnets. Now magnets are primarily designed for anchoring. So one of the most basic application is to clamp a component while you are machining it. So this is one of the products that we have. We have also applied for a patent for this and we have got it last year. So, clamping a component is always difficult. Think of a component which is like this. You place the component on the magnet and you press two buttons. And the clamping is done. The clamping takes less than 2 seconds to clamp and it is very, very rigid. Under a scenario that electricity fails, or if you are using on a machine which cannot have a cable inside, the job will still be clamped. The clamping force is extremely powerful and lasts for infinite duration of time. We can do all kinds of machining using this kind of a clamping apparatus. Can be used both in a VMC, on a HMC, on a VTL, on all kinds of machining apparatus. Now the latest development in this line has been to tell the magnetic force created by the magnet. Please come. So now this is our latest product. Till now we did not have a way to tell the clamping force created by the magnet. But right now with this development, once you clamp the magnet, it will demonstrate the zone at which it has clamped and it will demonstrate the clamping product. This is a revolutionary product for our line of work. Till date, I can proudly say we are the only company who has developed this kind of a product. So here on the stall, we are demonstrating a similar kind of a magnet which is used for machining of blocks of steel. We have also designed systems to clamp non-magnetic material like aluminum using a magnet. Another application for our product is for clamping of dies during injection molding. Now quick mold change has become the norm right now. Changing of 3 to 4 dies a day is very common for the industry. People find it very difficult to have standard dies, specifically when the machine keeps changing. So we have designed a magnetic clamping system which can clamp any shape and size of die magnetically. This particular magnet is designed for a 850 ton machine. We also have magnets which can lift products whether in rectangular or round shape. They also come with an automatic mode, which means just by a simple crane operation, the lifted load can be released without any manual intervention. Just by crane operation, you can release the load, making it very user friendly for areas which are non-accessible by the operator directly. We are also into the precision line manufacturing, where you make sine tables for surface angles in both single and complex angles. We have a complete range of product for all kinds of magnetic requirement. Thanks a lot.
Hello, my name is Florian Feucht. I'm responsible for sales and application within Realizer, a group member of DMG Mori. So it's a big honor to present here at Intex 2019 the new LaserTech 30 SLM second generation. So as the name says, it's a powder bed technology for additive manufacturing, so 3D printing. What we have here is now our biggest machine with an envelope of 300 by 300 by 300 millimeters and within standard a 600 watt laser. So the one-of-a-kind architecture of our machine is that we separated the base machine from everything what managed the powder. So with our so-called replug system, over here, we are able to change materials within hours, not within days, without any contamination between the two materials. So in this case, we just detach it like a cartridge from an inkjet printer and bring a new cartridge with a new material. In addition, we lifted for the second generation the HMI to CELOS standard. So what our customers can experience now is seamless HMI between all technologies from DMG Mori. No matter if it's a lathe or a milling center or any other type of technology. This makes it really easy to start and to get in touch with the technology. What you can see here are the parts which can be generated by additive manufacturing. So for DMG Mori, we just use the technology where it makes sense for our customers. So in combination with the conventional machining centers, we are able to set up really high-end applications within the two worlds of additive and conventional machining. So we have a chance to go first by machine some parts, integrate them in our machine, and then build up where it makes sense and brings benefit to the customer. So we proudly also introduce now our connection to the Indian market by Intech. So we set up a one-of-a-kind software solution to pre-calculate laser parameters. Normally, to determine the laser parameters for the technology, it takes months up to a year to set up the right parameters for this type of technology. And with Optomet, we have a chance to pre-calculate not only the laser parameters, but also we can predict the mechanical properties of our material. This is really crucial because with this technology, we do two things in one shot. We do the geometry and the material itself because we start from powder metal. Just to give you a short introduction, maybe you come along and have a look inside. So the problem is we just lower the platform, bring a new slice of powder, and then weld it down. And this welding procedure can't be calculated in any other way than doing it by Optomet. So we will start now our development here in India together with Intech, set up a lot of new materials, make it easy to understand, easy to access, and hand it over to a wide band of applications for our customers. So hopefully we got your interest, and it would be a pleasure to have you here in Hall 4 in front of our new Lasertec SLM to explain more in detail. Thank you.